Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I play a paper airplane. It's so fly, it's so fun. If you like it, let's do it with me now. I will to show you how to fold into paper to airplane. For you play. This is a paper airplane. It is like it. You can make it if you watch my video the beginning to end, so you can understand about how to folding paper to airplane.